Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete the Better Discord bot or the option in your Discord. Because if we go to settings, you will see that you have the Better Discord just right here. And from settings, we can delete it from updates, custom plugins and themes. There's no option how you can delete this. So I will show you how to do this. Alright, go to your files and go to the Better Discord Windows downloader that you where you download Better Discord with. Click on that. Then this will pop up. Now click on I accept the license agreement, then do next, and then click on uninstall Better Discord. Then click on next, click on the server that you want to delete or the Discord version, then do uninstall, then do close. And right now, if we go to Discord and we go to settings and we scroll down, there is no way where it stands something with Better Discord. So we just removed it. Alright, this is how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. If you have questions, please comment them below. And then for now, thanks for watching.